Is your truck making a weird noise when you accelerate or when you turn? Please don't wait. Please bring it in immediately as soon as you feel those concerns, because we don't want to end up like this guy. Now, this vehicle came in, it had been driven a little too far, and unfortunately back here in the rear differential, oh, we're looking through, there's nothing here. Where this pinion bearing and pinion gear sits through, that seal started to leak, and they kept driving. So it lacked lubrication, and they kept driving. So it heated up the bearings, and they kept driving. So it destroyed the bearings, and they kept driving until it locked up. So here's this rear differential. You've got the ring gear, you've got your pinion gear, you've got your carrier bolted up, we've got our side bearings for it, we've got our spider gears, everything in it, and we're overhauling all of it. So instead of getting a seal that would be, a $20 or $30 part and maybe an hour of labor, we're going to spend a few $1,000s and overhaul this differential. This could have been avoided. Come see your mechanic regularly for your maintenance intervals, or this could be you.